Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you something that I'm really excited about. I've already got, I think 4 or 5 in my freezer, and one of our stores here has asparagus on sale for $1.99 a pound, and each of these is a pound. So I got 5 more bunches plus the 5, it's either 4 or 5 that I had. I love asparagus, and on keto you can eat asparagus. So what I'm going to do is, I've got 5 bunches of it here. I'm going to cut off about up to where the rubber band is on here, and then I'm gonna make a bag with my FoodSaver, and I'm going to put a bunch in each bag, and I'm going to seal it. And you just do it just like that, put it in the freezer, and then when you want it, I can roast it, I can put it in my Instant Pot, I can, I guess the best way that I do it is I roast it. I love roasted vegetables, so I roast Brussels sprouts and asparagus and what else? I can't think of what else, but there's quite a few things that I roast, and asparagus is definitely one of them. So I'm going to go on and get these, like I said, you cut them off about right above where, right there on the bottom of them, and I'll bring you back when I get a bag made, and I'll show you what I do. Okay, I'm back. Alright, let me see if I can move this out some so you can see. Alright, there's the bag. Alright, and I want you to see sealing it. I've got it, the bag big enough, and I'm going to put it in here. I sealed the bottom of it. You should be able to see right across there. I sealed the bottom of it in here, and now I'm going to vacuum seal it. That's what it is, Regina. Vacuum seal. Vacuum seal, not Cryovac. I've just never heard of that. Oh well. Alright, Cryovac I've heard of doing bodies. Regina and I were just talking. She went to the store to get these, and the girl asked her if she was having a asparagus party, and Regina said that no, that I sealed it with my Cryovac machine, and I've never heard anybody say that before. But anyway, alright, so I've got this on here, and hopefully this is going to seal right off. Hopefully. See, it's sealing now. When it finishes, I'll show it to you. Alright. Now look, this won't even move. This is just sealed perfectly, and it goes in my freezer, and it's pretty flat. So, I mean, you know, it doesn't take up very much room, and that's all you have to do with asparagus is cut off the bottom ends, make your bags, put them in your bags, and seal your bags. Of course, you know, wash it first. Wash your asparagus first. But anyway, so you can see this is really, really easy. And since I'm definitely on keto diet now, and probably will be the rest of my life, my FoodSaver that I haven't used in quite a while is coming in handy for this stuff, because I love stuff like asparagus and all that stuff, and you can have that on keto, so I'm happy about that. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be different things below that you can purchase that I use in my kitchen through Amazon. It costs you no more. It's the same price as if you went to Amazon yourself and looked it up and clicked on the link. But if you click on my link, then I do get a small percentage of what you pay for it at Amazon, and it does help buy the food and stuff to show you you guys what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.